I can't tell whether this is going to be the best video on my channel or one of the worst. Hello everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Amanda Claus. Before we even get started, of course, we have to put on the Amanda Claus uniform, the extra long Amanda Claus hat. Put this baby on. Hat placement is very important. There we go. Now everything feels right. If you haven't seen the first Amanda Claus video, then you might not have seen these, but yes, we have specially made, customized Amanda Claus long Santa hats this year. She got an upgrade, you know? Look at this. We're going high budget this year. I'm actually going to be giving away a bunch of these throughout the Amanda Claus season, and as usual at the end of this video there is a big giveaway with a bunch of goodies, so make sure you stay tuned to the end for that. But for today's video, this might be one of the weirdest things I've ever done on my channel, which is saying a lot. As you can see behind me, I have my Christmas tree up. It was a struggle. I don't want to talk about it. Anyone who has a small apartment and a Christmas tree in storage knows the struggle of bringing it up every year, but it's finally up, and since it's up, it's feeling like the holiday season has arrived. But she's a little bare, you know, we haven't decorated it yet. And I thought, what better way to decorate the Amanda Claus tree than with something that I personally love more than anything in this world. Thought of the idea for me to decorate my entire Christmas tree using only stationery. Don't ask questions. I just thought it was hilarious, and mostly I just want to see whether it will be possible with all of my stationery. I have a feeling the answer is going to be yes, because I do have a lot, and you know, I needed to decorate my tree anyway. So this year I'm not going to be using any regular ornaments. We don't do that here. That's basic. My plan is I'm going to be hanging a bunch of washi tapes because they're basically already ornament shaped and they're easy to go on. So as you can see, I have my big washi tape case here. Maybe we'll try to find a way to hang up a bunch of pens and markers. Not sure where this is gonna go. Honestly, it's gonna be very interesting. But anyway, I hope you guys find this entertaining in any way. My goal by the end of this is to have a fully decorated tree. I'm not gonna be taking them off, by the way. I'm leaving whatever happens today up on my tree, and it's gonna stay that way. Also, I have my Christmas pajama pants, as you can see, and we have fuzzy socks. In my family household growing up, it was a tradition to decorate the tree with Christmas pajamas on, with Christmas music playing, so I decided to bring that tradition over onto my channel, and for this video, I'll throw on some Christmas music. I will maybe turn on the fireplace channel on my TV. It's gonna be great. Well, I think this tree is begging to be decorated, so let's get started. So my first order of business, I need to like spread all these branches to make it look more full, because this is just like with it put up, but once I spread all the branches, the tree will look a lot more luscious than this. It's looking a little sad, so we're gonna get that done first, and then we can do all of the decorating. I mean, I think that's good, right? Honestly, I'm too lazy to do anymore. We're just gonna roll with it. So I think the easiest place to start would definitely be the washi tapes, just because I can literally hang them up like this. And originally I was gonna try to go for a color palette, like a Christmas color palette, maybe red and green, but I don't think I have enough of red or green washi tapes. So we'll just have to make do with this. Make do, as if this is not enough. This is a lot. Anyway, let's do this. First ornament going up on the tree. I did this green striped one, kind of Christmassy. Ready? What is that? This is gonna be weird. I already can tell. All right, well, we're just rolling with it at this point. There you go. I think it'll look better once we fill the rest, so let's continue. Okay, I regret to inform you guys that the hat must come off because I'm currently sweating, so sorry. We'll put it back on for the end, for the big reveal. You know what I also kind of just realized? This is honestly even more meaningful than me putting regular ornaments on the tree, because I have washi tapes from all my trips this year. If you guys watched my Korea stationery haul or my Japan stationery haul, then you'll know that I collected a bunch of washi tape during my trip. So it's kind of like a Christmas ornament memory. Yeah, I have, this one's from Korea. I also have some of my Japan ones. This one is a Totoro one and a Spirited Away washi tapes. So those are some of my favorite movies, so we gotta put those on the tree. Honestly, the real question is whether I'm going to commit to decorating both sides of the tree or whether I'm just going to stick with whatever's showing on the front. Honestly, kind of cute. Am I just being delusional right now? I kind of vibe with it. It's also very efficient because I can literally just go like this. So I'm getting very speedy at it. Alright, do you guys see that? Is that good? I think the washi tapes are done, and looking at this now, it doesn't look great. Things are not looking up. The next order of business, I thought we would put up some pens and stuff like dangling down from the tree. And in order to keep things sort of consistent, we can do a color palette, or we can do, should we do a color palette? You know what? This video is chaotic, so who am I kidding? We don't need a color palette. But to keep things consistent, I think I will only use one type of marker. Maybe I'll throw in a couple extras here and there. But I have this huge pack of markers, and it's literally every color you could imagine, so I think this would be perfect. The only thing is that I am trying to figure out how I'm going to put them up. Because unlike the washi tapes, there isn't like a hook. Can I just like stand them? No, I cannot. It would be better if these had like clips on the end, so then I could just like clip it to the branch. Do I have pens with clips? Alright guys, so change of plans. I have decided to use my zebra mod liners, my beloved zebra mod liners, to decorate the tree because these actually have the pen clip on the side. So I'm hoping I can like hook these on, but if that doesn't work, it's also easy for me to just put like a loop of string through that hole there. Logistically, this has a higher chance of working. I can't believe I'm debating the logistics of this. I'm taking this seriously, guys. So, the first guy, I mean, it's a little hard to do this with one hand, but my goal is to clip this. Oh my god, it works. It works. Friends. What am I doing? We're in business, friends. Let's get her done. I'm gonna put the rest of them on. I actually have quite a lot of these because they came out with a lot of colors, and I also have the brush pen version, so I think I might have enough to fill the whole tree. The only thing that sucks is that the outside is mostly white, so it's not like we get that much color, but you know, maybe it'll look like icicles dripping. That will be our concept. Guys, that's the concept. We're gonna make it look like icicles. Wow. This is turning out a lot better than I thought. Why does it actually kind of look okay? Cracking into the brush pen ones. Which, by the way, I really love these brush pen versions of the mod liners. A lot of you guys have been asking my opinion on the brush pen mod liners because they're relatively new. I really, really love them. And also, apparently, great for decorating. You always gotta step back and admire your masterpiece and then reevaluate where some of them need to go. Oh my god, this looks insane. Don't know where to go from here. To be honest, this is all I got to. When I was thinking of this video, I was like, oh, I can put up pens and I can put up washi tapes. And I was hoping that would be enough, but it doesn't look like it. Oh my god, wait, I found this gold sparkly washi tape, and it's actually not sticky on the back. It's like the kind that you have to peel back the double layer. I wish I had enough of this to go all the way around. That would be perfect. Maybe. Yeah, we only have enough for once around. Okay, I'm gonna cheat a little bit for the sake of making this actually look good. I am gonna use ribbon, but that's the only non-stationary item I'm gonna use. And I'm telling myself that it is stationary because sometimes people use ribbons in like scrapbooking, right? I'm gonna take this off because it looks pathetic. Other than that, we'll add some more actual stationary items afterward for the sake of the tree. I probably should have done this before putting all of the stuff on because now everything's falling. How does Martha Stewart do this? Oh, there's stationery falling everywhere. I'm not even gonna pick that up. All right, so we lost a couple of soldiers in the middle of that, so I'm gonna put those back up. I really think the ribbon was a good call. Sorry if you guys think I'm cheating on the challenge, but you know, it's for the greater good of the Amanda Claus spirit. That already looks way better. All right, I'm gonna take you guys over to my special beloved stationery cabinet here and see what else we can find. I have more washi tape, but honestly I feel like there's enough washi tape on that. Oh, you know what could be good? Are these clips here. You guys know I use these a lot in my pictures, and also we can literally just clip these bad boys right on. So that would be good. And also they're like a little bit glitzier, so maybe they will reflect light. Like, do I just go like that? You know what? I'm not mad at that. I'm really honestly not mad at that. Okay, we're gonna do it. I have some big ones too. Oh my god. Okay, I also realized I have some of these paper clips and they're literally like jewel shaped. I'm gonna try to hook them on to the Christmas tree. Oh, wait, that worked. Wait guys, do you see that? It kind of works. And it goes with all the other ones. I'm mixing metals here. This is like rose gold and we have some gold binder clips, but you know what? We can't be picky. Why do I actually really like it? I think it looks pretty good. So I added all the jewels and I also added some regular paper clips to make it look more like stationery-y. But like, to be honest, not bad. All right, I'm trying to think if there's anything else we can add to this tree, but I really can't think of anything else. We got pens, markers, we got washi tapes, we got clips. What else is there? How could I forget this? We need to add a tree topper. I went back and forth a lot on what I wanted to top the tree with, but there's one thing that I had to do, so let's do it. Oh my god. Wait. This is incredible. Oh my god. Why does this actually look good? I think I'm gonna decorate my tree like this from now on. You know what? I'm very impressed. So if any of you were wondering, stationery can be used as Christmas tree decoration. What is this video? She's cute, like, okay, well, let's do a nice shot. It works perfectly, because usually I bullet journal or I draw on the table next to it, so you know, if I ever need a washi tape, I can just go over to the tree and plop one off, then put it back in its place. Kind of an efficient stationery storage system, if I do say so myself. Okay, I waited till nighttime so I could show you, but guys, look, it actually looks really pretty. I mean, the twinkly lights definitely help. From afar, if you squint your eyes, it looks pretty good. Definitely Love the addition of the hat at the top. We are definitely gonna be doing that for more Amanda Claus years to come.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree,
Hat back on. Alright friends, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me decorate this tree. You know, it turned out way better than I expected, so I'm gonna take that as a win. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe I inspired some of you guys to decorate your tree with some washi tapes. Now on to today's Amanda Claus giveaway. As I mentioned at the beginning, you guys will be winning one of these specially custom limited edition Amanda Claus hats, and you're going to be winning one of my planners. You'll be able to choose whatever color you want. You're also going to be winning 3 of these notebooks. These are actually designed by my lovely friend Lavendaire. She made these beautiful notebooks, and there's like lined pages, some blank pages, and some with dotted. These are my own, but the color palette is so pretty. I have 3 brand new ones for you guys. So you'll have the planner, you'll have these notebooks, and also, since in this video we decorated with a bunch of stationery, of course, in this prize pack I had to include a bunch of stationery as well. So you'll be winning this Crayola Take Note collection pack, and I will probably throw in a bunch of washi tapes for you guys as well. So if you guys want to know how you can win this prize pack, I'll leave all of the rules and details in the description box below. It's going to be international as usual. I think that's it for today's video. If you don't want to miss future Amanda Claus giveaways or videos, be sure to click that bell button down below. That is all. So keep doodling, put washi tape on your Christmas tree, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.